dance all right.
India is my country. India is my country. All Indians are. My brothers and sisters. I love my country. And I am proud of history. I am very talented. I shall always try to be fit. I shall always teachers and all elders respect and treat everyone equally. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. India will be Anna's Party, Anna's life, my happiness. Jai Hind.
My name is Humera. I am from grade 3 Hazel. Today, thought of the day. In every day, there are 1,440 minutes. That means we have 1,440 daily opportunities to make a positive impact. Thank you.
Let us say how excited we are here with all of you today to talk on one of the most important things is respect. Respect is one way of our love and gratitude towards others. Respect is an important component of personal identity and interpersonal relationship. We must respect and value ourselves so that rest of the world recognizes us and respects us. Treating someone respect means showing regards for their abilities and worth valuing their feelings and their views. Even if you don't necessarily agree with them, accepting them on an equal basis and giving them the same consideration you expect by yourself. Thank you. Respect is a lesson. Respect is a lesson that we learn over the years in our life. The abuse who treats everyone respect and equality is an easy trick to learn, but a difficult trick to carry out. So respect is not just something that us means Keraj. I'm studying in grade 3 Hazel. Today I'm going to say an essay on September. September is the 9th month of the year in both the Gregorian calendar and less commonly used Julian calendar. In the modern Gregorian calendar, its length is 30 days. September from Latin septem 7 was originally the 7th of 3 months in the oldest known Roman calendar. It holds a unique place in the calendar. It's a month of transition where the long hot days of summer gradually It brings cooler temperatures and the promise of colorful foliage. In many parts of the world, especially in the northern hemisphere, September is synonymous with back to school preparations as all students of ages return to their classrooms. One of the defining features of September is the changing landscape. Month progresses, trees start to shed their green leaves, painting the surroundings in vibrant shades of red, orange and yellow. This natural spectacle is eagerly awaited by nature enthusiasts and photographers who seek to capture the beauty of this transformation. September is also associated with various cultural and religious festivals such as Labor Day in United States, Ganesh Chaturthi in India, the Jewish New Year, Rosh Hashanah. These celebrations bring communities together and add the richness of the month. September is a month of transition, symbolizing the passage from the warmth of summer to the coziness of autumn. It's a time of changing colors, renewed routines and diverse festivals. Thank you. Have a wonderful day. Today I am going to check your general knowledge with GK question. Question for grade 1. How many legs does a dog have? Yes, you picked the right answer. Let us appreciate them. Question for grade 2. Which plant grows in desert? No, you didn't pick the right answer. The answer is cactus. Question for grade 3. Where of the lion is called? Yes, you picked the right answer. Let us appreciate them. Question for grade 4. Who was the urban Einstein? No, you didn't pick the right answer. The answer is Albert Einstein was a great scientist. Question for grade 5. Which organs purify our blood? Yes, you picked the right answer. Let us appreciate them. Thank you. My name is Karthik. I am 13 years old. I am studying in grade 5C. My father's name is Ravi. He is a businessman. My mother's name is Sarita. She is a housewife. Homemaker. My best friend name is Chrissy. My favorite food is pizza. I like to play cricket. I go to school every day. Thank you.
Of grade 4 Hazel. I am here to say about Tulasi. Tulasi is known as queen of herbs. Tulasi is useful for diabetes patients. Tulasi is useful in kidney stones and it is known as immunity booster. Thank you.
And I am proud of history and very
myself of great and Topaz. One of the great religious teachers, Swami Vivekananda said that take risk in your life. If you fail, you can guide. If you win, you can lead. It means take risk, whatever it may be, whatever work you want to do it. You don't think about the success or it will be failure. If you will be success, you can help the remaining members who are trying in that. If you fail, you can correct the mistakes who are making that. So finally, don't don't be worry about your failures. Worry if you don't learn from your failure. Don't be happy if you will win. Be happy when you will make someone to win. Thank you.
Happy morning, everyone. Myself, I am Keshav of Grade 10 Topaz. Today, I am going to say Abdul Kalam motivational story. Once upon a time, there was a frog. The frog wanted to climb the mountain, but the frog was keeping positive thought in the mind. But suddenly, the frog was keeping negative thought. So, the moral of the story thought is one tree can make thousands of matchsticks, but one matchstick can burn thousands of trees. So one negative thought can burn all the positive thoughts. So be in positive way.
Everyone, myself Keshav on the Great 10 Topaz. Today I am saying about money. It's important to earn money, but also it's important to save money. Someone has really to said that if you money save today, the money will save you in the future. With money you can buy a car, you can buy a hospital, but not a good health. With money you can buy a insurance, not a safety. With money you can buy a clock, not a time. Thank you. Have a good day.
My name is Shant of Great 10 Topaz. As you know, Lord Krishna faced many problems in his life. Like his parents separated. He separated from his parents, and his own uncle want to kill him. And because of Sudharam, Radha did not marry Krishna, and he, and Lord Krishna faced many problems in his life. So we are the humans also will be facing many problems, and we should be ready to face the problems. Thank you.
With from Great and Topaz. Today I brought a motivational speech about success. Success does not have any definition or formula to get success. It applies to every person in the world. And the meaning of success will be changing to the one person to another person. Success need a constant hard work and determination, which many people do not put it. And success should successful people are having very good in time management, but and also I request you to manage your time right way, and so that you will be successful in life. And always fail, always learn from your failures and past experiences, but don't allow your past experiences to define you. And don't be demotivated by past failures, and instead of that, sometimes the failures will be supporting you and helps you to correct ourselves. Success is a direct product of hard work of accomplishing the goal. Thank you.
Who are present here. Myself, Nehan Sagar of Great and Topaz, and here to inspire by giving a small speech. If you ever want to be something, then be like an eagle, don't be like a parrot. Because parrot speaks a lot but cannot fly a very high. But an eagle speaks a very little but can fly a very high. And the eagle have willpower to touch the sky, and the parrot gift is to talk, and the eagle gift is to fly. And I'm going to teach about the mentalities and some habits of an eagle. Everyone should learn from an eagle. The eagle fly alone or with another eagle. By this we can understand that don't stay with the narrow-minded people, small-minded people who did not set a aim or goal. And the eagle will not eat dead animals. It will eat only alive animals. By this we can understand that leave out the past and think about the future. As Ramsar being saying that don't think about the past and think about the future. Past is a experience, present is a experiment, and the future is a expectation. Thank you. Have a good day.
This Kishore from Great and Topaz. Today I am motivational speech. Temporary people teach us a permanent lessons. Those temporary people are none other than who tries to encourage us in our life. Those are teachers. So we should respect the teachers and learn from the teachers. They are sacrificing their time to us. Thank you.